Is he?
Shark's gonna eat him. Shark's gonna.
I want to watch this.
It might not, but there is a shark in this water.
Doing good, Jack? Well, I guess he can't listen to him. He can't talk to us while he's swimming.
Jack, if you don't say anything, you're gay. Does he lose all of his stuff?
Since we're on hard mode, man.
I wish it was binoculars or something, that'd be nice. But alas, I got binoculars.
I'm thirsty.
I mean... Do I have anything?
I mean, I got sody pops.
Yeah, just drink an energy drink. Also, you can go back there and drink water. Not this water, but you can go back to the water that's flowing in here. But I think it does hurt your health.
Did he make it?
I think so.
No, you don't lose all your stuff.
But you are gay.
Oh, Jack, we are on hard mode. We might lose everything.
No, I already died.
Yeah, he already died.
Well, no, you didn't die. You got your second chance.
Wait, what?
You get second chances. You didn't fully die. Your second chance is where you just spawn back at a cannibal camp. If you die again, I think you die for real. I believe that's how it works. Well, you want to go over there and give her a shot, Gabe?
There's a shark. The shark's over here. I see it.
Can he move the raft?
I have the gun.
No, he cannot.
Well, why? Like he. Oh.
Guys, are you gonna come get the gun? Well, I'm coming back.
Just keep on swimming, keep on swimming, Ah, motherfucker!
Oh shit!
Keep on swimming, keep on swimming, keep on swimming, keep on swimming. Come on, come on. Yo, this man was eating a Happy Meal. Oh, motherfucker! Holy fuck! Oh my god! I just look over and just see the fucking... You just crawl up. It fucking scared the fuck out of me.
I don't know why that'd scare you.
Because I'm not used to... I was not expecting you to come here.
Fair enough. Yeah, I was like right down to that. Surprisingly, that shark did not. No, there it is. I do not know how much for. I guess I shouldn't.
I got bit by him already.
No, I didn't. No. How much health are you at?
I lost a quarter.
Quarter? Okay, that. Alright. Well, I'm going back.
I'm swimming with you. I don't feel safe.
A good one. I'ma live.
Just keep on. Ow, motherfucker!
I know that he not me.
Jesse, we're fine. Even if I die, I just get my backpack. I have to go back and get it. Also, when you get back here, let's go to that campfire and fight them.
That's not a good idea. We're already low health, aren't we? Jack, help! Jack! Jack, help! Shark! Help! Shark! Jack! Jack, there's a shark! He got Jesse. He lost a leg.
Jesse, you lost the leg?
No. The shark turned to mold.
No.
Alright, boys. Let's go get those cannibals.
Hi, Calvin. He's just running at us.
We definitely need to go across the map to set up base now.
I guess, bro. We can. We're just gonna take 10 years.
I really do want like a hub for us so we can make bone armor. I don't want to see nomadic. At least not too nomadic.
We could get flesh armor. We just have to do it at the same time.
Well, flesh armor doesn't last super
long.
Oh shit, there's a lot of them. There's a lot of them. I didn't expect there to be that many. Shoot him!
Oh!
Send the string to the
At least Gabe's wiping them out, I guess.
I don't want to shoot you guys.
Ow! Shit, you did so much damage to me.
Did I? I don't think I hit you.
Skull.
Also, we need like duct tape and shit.
I have some.
Alright,
Don't waste any of your bullets. Oh shit, we have another one. He's a spear thrower.
Where's he?
Oh, he's running away.
Oh. What a bitch!
Shit.
I can't carry any more heads.
Go. I'll take care of them.
There's a boat motor here.
I'll take care of them. He's too pure for us, Kovos.
How long have you known about My Digital Circus? Because that shit is beat.
Since the beginning.
Yeah.
I've noticed
Jesse's actually the one who got me into it.
I told Gabe about it, yeah.
Why didn't you put me on, dude?
Because I thought you would call me a nerd. Key.
Oh, look at this guy.
Me, Jack. There's no way, dude. I'm as autistic as you. You should know that.
Okay. Wait,
that was a strong one, too.
Yeah,
I don't know why they had...
Ow! Oh my god!
I think I just took off his health.
I have a milliliter! I have nothing to heal me with!
Okay,
Sorry. I guess we gotta really be careful with friendly fire here.
Okay, we should, if anything, we should probably just get some bones. Set up the fire real quick. Get some. Oh. No.
Yeah, I didn't mean to do that. I really gotta remember to be careful with friendly fire because it's
Ew, you're
like
Asian.
insta kill you. Oh fuck.
What?
Gabe. Oh, never mind. I thought we could break that, I guess not.
We can break this.
Guys, I'm cooking up some fried limbs.
Can we make bone armor right now?
I think we can burn these to bone. Maybe not.
Oh shit, another one.
Oh yeah, we're supposed to like pick these guys up and throw them on.
Guys, come help me! There's a motherfucker.
I am behind you. Jesus!
Well, where's he going? I didn't think I missed that shot. That kind of pisses me off.
Thought you're good at Resident Evil games. What the fuck happened?
Why is he over there? Well,
Uh-oh.
I didn't need to do anything, I guess.
I decapitated him, man. Buckets!
Guys, I'm getting armor. I just got like 20 million bones.
Oh, okay. Do we need duct tape or cloth for that? I forgot.
Duct tape and rope.
I got both.
I think it's client sided, right? You can also pick up these, right? Is there like a lot, or is there only 3 for? Okay. Gabe, do you see a lot of?
No, I only
bones
picked
here?
up like 4.
No, I don't see any.
Oh, they're not client sided like everything else. Shit.
Well, that sucks. I thought they were client-sided so we can have infinite. Okay, well, I have 16 bones. Rope, where?
Where's, all my bones? Ah, hello.
There's a bunch of dead bodies over here, so I'm gonna make a fire.
Yeah, take the whole bodies and throw them on it. That's how we get the bone armor. Don't cut them up.
Are we fucking serious? There we go.
If you guys want to steal some bones from mine, I think I have a lot. I'm gonna stick with 2 for now, even though it's not that much. You can steal the rest of them. I don't know how to drop. Get onto my backpack. Steal my bones. Can you steal them from here, or do I have to physically put them on it?
I don't know. I don't know.
Put them on.
I think we can hold E on your backpack and we hold E on us and then you can drag him.
Can? Apparently I can only give you food.
Well, there's a bunch of bones right here.
Cannibals! Cannibals! A fuck ton of them! There's a fuck ton! There's so many cannibals.
Where?
Down the hill, down the hill, down the hill.
Liar, liar.
Are they coming
points
towards
for
us?
heart.
Yes!
There's a few.
No, there's like
Few,
10.
not-
They separated.
There's one.
No, there's
Hold 'em
10.
up, Jake.
There's 10. There's not one.
not
There's
10.
10.
Okay, we're setting
Ow.
ourselves on fire.
How do I...
You're on fire, Gabe.
How the fuck do I get on fire?
Wait,
That's a great.
it goes away. Okay.
They're getting closer. They're getting closer. Jesse, Jesse, Jesse.
Oh shit! Protect me!
Protect you. I have no health because of you.
Let me do it. I have the most armor on.
I have
I don't even know how to make armor. Where the hell?
Alright, we don't have the strength to fight them right now, so let's leave and go.
no.
We really need to build a base next to a 3D printer.
There's a way to like equip the back. Oh, I remember how you do it. You have to physically combine it. You have to pick up your backpack and then add. Oh. Now, take my bones. My bone. Can you not take my?
No, you have to give it to us.
I can't. Tried. It only allows me.
Oh,
to
I
give
found out.
you-
No, I'm giving you my bones.
Oh, here we go. How many
Thank
bones
you.
do you want?
A lot. Give me all
Is
your
that enough?
bones. Give me your
One more?
boners.
How much armor do you have, Jack?
Well, 4, so I'm good.
4? I have enough of.
There's a couple
Can we go
skulls
get
over
that
here.
other purple tag first.
We can't. We need the shovel.
Okay, well, over the mountain we go.
We don't have to go over the mountain. We can go like past the mountain. Be probably. I mean, at this.
Or just set up
rate-
right next to the mountain.
At this rate, we need to go find the shovel. We need to go find like.
We need a
have to
3D
find
printer.
a lot of stuff. Yeah, we can, Jack, do you know how we get a 3D printer? If we find a shovel. There's so
Wait,
many
I
dig
thought-
sites.
Oh, we need a shovel for that? Ah, fuck.
We need dig sites. I mean, there are caves that we can. There's like hidden caves that we can find that have some, but we need to like go to places. And find places. It's not like the beta where it shows
We'll
you
go fishing.
I wish it was like the beta and it showed you.
It's what I
everything,
like to
but it's
do
not how
when
it is.
everyone else is doing everything. I'll just run off, do my own thing. And we're just gonna go fishing, and maybe we'll catch some fish, maybe not. Who knows? Look at those itty bitty humans. They don't know what they're doing. They're confoozled. Actually, is that something important? No.
The helicopter, once we leave the game and come back, we will in fact like be able to re-get those items, I believe, unless they patch that.
Gabe,
Yeah?
where are you going?
Gabe, come to us. Meet us at the helicopter.
Oh, okay. I guess I can't go do my own thing because they need me. I got my big poking stick, and they can't even touch this. Too cool. They can't touch me because I'm too cool.
Oh yeah, I can be like Wade when Bob, Mark, and Bob, Mark, and Wade when they played in this game. Fucking Wade was like, oh yeah. The Mark, I just throw a log at one of your faces. No, go well.
No.
Well, I love walking.
So from the helicopter, we have basically an infinite supply of grenades.
Unless they patched it, kind of.
No, I thought they did. No, I
think
remember they did.
They patched it? Then what? Then we don't need. Then we shouldn't be. Then we shouldn't stay there then.
I mean, it's in a general direction.
Oh yeah, we need to go to that orange indicator and see what it is. 'Cause I don't think we ever went to it.
Oh, that big orange one?
Also, I think for like the daughter to show up, we need to.
Tarp. I have too many tarps. Pills! Holy shit.
Oh my god, I need these.
Those are a rare commodity in this day and age.
Yeah, I better get up to full health now.
Yeet!
Nah. I'll be alright.
Oh, 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 oh!
Oh, shit! Big boy, big boy, big boy!
Can my spear back? He's alive! He's alive!
I shot him in the head! What?
Are y'all actually fighting them? I was kind of like just saying fuck it and going. Might as well not waste health.
Come back and help us! We're getting.
Oh,
Just run,
my
just run,
God,
just
you
run, just
fucking
run.
Drugs.
Run!
Are you
Run!
good? Okay.
Just run!
Oh my god.
How much bullets? I don't. Can I do a mag check?
Probably not.
They're coming! Help me! Defensive line over here!
Just run. Yeah, that could work. Are these poison? Yep. Those are poisonous. That is great. Yeah. We're getting
There's a blue indicator. Oh, there's a cannibal. There's a fast one.
I guess it don't work. I guess I can't. Oh.
We got a GPS indicator. The note: Gordon Puffton refuses to acknowledge what peace is blah 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 blah. Lore. G to close. All right. Good? No.
Yeah.
I
Is there echo?
don't think there's
Echo!
anything in here. I guess. Yeah, this is just gets us frickin'. Oh, we can drink some of this water? I don't think that's good for us, but we could drink it.
No, I would not.
I'm gonna drink it.
Yeah, let's drink the water where the spine is hanging.
Well, just walk down this tunnel. There's more.
What are you gonna do? Now this might be an actual cave.
No, it ends here.
We could build whatever the fuck this is.
What is that?
I don't
Is that
know.
a shock trap? What is
That I don't know.
What the
I
fuck
don't
was
know what
that?
is. It's a good question.
I did hear that too.
Move, you're fat.
It's something. Jack going on his Teto arc.
Yes, bro has ball knowledge. He has ball knowledge.
I just called you fat, but okay.
That's all. I don't care. He knew ball. He knew ball.
Yeah, I know who fucking Teto is, because you've sent me 12 billion fucking reels of fucking Kasune Teto. And then I go into the comments and half of them are softcore porn.
What the
I
fuck
love
are
this
you guys
guy.
talking?
Like ah! Oh, me. Oh my god.
What? Oh my god. Yeah.
Well, he just fucking hit me out of nowhere.
Good news. If you drink, like, water that's kind of poisonous,
shit,
you
no,
can
no.
always...
He was hiding in a bush. That one was hiding in a bush.
Like, normally they just run away after they hit you. They do hit and run tactics.
Guerrilla
I
warfare.
love guerrilla warfare. I love guerrilla warfare.
Guys, there's two more.
Hi.
What the fuck? Jesse, where are you going?
This is like going into the devil's anus.
I'm pretty sure we need scuba gear for this.
No?
Nuh-uh. We don't need nothing.
What? I don't like this.
I've never seen this cave before, by
Me
the way.
neither. I don't know what this is.
Why can I not pull my axe
There's
out?
like a whole lot of nothing in here. Yeah, you got your hanging corpses and shit, but nothing of value. What the? I found a meat pouch.
Where?
Right, sitting right here. There's a skin pouch, unless there's only one
No, I got it.
per client. Alright, let's open this bad boy.
This is just the exact same place.
Pretty much.
Jesse, this is the exact same cave we came into.
It's the exact same place.
No, not really.
Yes,
There's-
we walked out. It's the
there's
same
no
entrance.
pouch here.
It is the same entrance.
Then how the hell did we not go in here? And how did we not find the skin pouch?
Look. Look. Look.
Well, how did we not find the skin pouch last
Look.
time? then,
I found one, but I thought it was only me.
huh? Oh.
Oh, so he just didn't tell anyone.
I see how it is.
Are we serious?
Are we dead ass? Oh boy, another... Oh, Virginia!
Shit, there's a lot of them.
That is not Virginia, never mind. Yeah. Hit and run tactic, huh?
Okay, Gabe.
Yeah.
Huh?
Gabe's murdering them maniacally.
What do you mean? I'm chill.
Jesse, do you know the lore? I think it's like the aliens caused them to turn to cannibals, right?
What?
Kind of. So, they did research on this island for something. I don't remember exactly what it is. They do some sort of lore or some sort of thing to find out.
I need to make bandages.
Gabe, we have 2 pills here sitting on a log. Get over here. You need these pills.
Pills here! Pill here! Pills!
Pills in this economy.
Pills here.
Man, I wish somebody would love me like Lewis loves pills.
Real for that.
You're a gym rat. You can't find a woman.
He knows, he knows.
Oh, there's the skin patch. That's where it was hiding in my inventory.
Should we
What's in the
find
skin
somewhere
pouch?
to stay tonight, or?
Oh, it's just resources. I mean, we can create another tent and just break it at the end of the day, so it doesn't matter. They're really easy to make, so it just doesn't.
I got it.
Yeah.
I was about to say,
I mean,
does
we
it
can't
take
even
you forever?
sleep yet, can we? Oh,
Yeah,
I
we
guess
can.
We can sleep.
Dave.
Guys, we slept tonight.
Oh my god.
That's not good.
Just get out, run. I'll cover you.
Oh my god, this is horrifying. Run, run, run. Guys, where are you?
I'm following Jesse.
Y'all are slow somehow, and I'm hungry. I don't know how you guys are that slow.
What do you mean? Did I go the wrong way?
Yeah, we both went the wrong way.
Yep.
Oh, brother. We went the wrong way, buddy. Yeah. Go get some fish, buddy. Okay. On my way to go find my friends. Again. Hopefully I don't die. Do I have any food? No energy drink. This will have to do for now. But I did have him go get some fish for me.